What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video. Took a little bit of a hiatus there. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe and like button for us. And also, since we've been here last, we did launch a store, an online store, e-commerce, called kcetestandtune.com. I'll put a link in the description. Quality parts for BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, and Mercedes-Benz. And a little bit of background real quick. I really wanted to start this store because I've had a lot of bad experiences buying car parts. So really wanted to connect people with only quality items, excellent customer service at great prices. So guys, go check it out. I promise, if you do business with me, I will take care of you, and especially my returning customers, you can ask them. I'm always giving discounts, that kind of thing. So go check it out. But otherwise, let's hop right into this video. I'm going to discuss why I chose the F30 340i xDrive as my new daily driver. So of course it should come as no surprise, that the B58 engine itself was a major deciding factor for this purchase. But I think a lot of people that follow me on Instagram or know me are kind of under the misconception that I bought this car simply to, make it very fast again, like the gray E92. It's not the case. I really wanted something practical. It has 4 doors. It looks great. And this motor is a beast right out of the box. So I just wanted something that checked all the boxes, so to speak, and I felt that the 340i xDrive did that. So for starters, this 340 happens to be xDrive, which is exactly what I wanted. The E90 right there is xDrive as well. I'm up in New England, so there is snow and inclement weather. So I do like to have that on my daily driver. The paint code here also on the 340 is an individual color. So that was another reason I chose this car specifically. You can kind of see in the sun it changes colors. So it's no secret that the B58 is a very capable motor at this point. I have this thing pretty much essentially completely stock. I'm planning on leaving it that way for now. I don't have any immediate plans for power mods right now. I am going to eventually probably do a downpipe and a tune on the car, just for a comfortable 450 or so, something like that. So stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm really just focusing on enjoying the car. And I will also be putting a forged carbon fiber lip on the front, as well as a spoiler on the back. So we'll hop into a few more reasons why I chose the car. Of course, picked an already M Sport vehicle. This time, a lot of us end up buying the M Sport bumpers after the fact, but I was definitely looking out for an already M Sport vehicle. Pretty nice, comes with that aggressive style bumper. These wheels, which I really don't mind that much, to be honest with you. They're not anything special, but I definitely don't mind them. So those are nice as well. So I'm personally a huge fan of the interior on this car. Has a really nice, fat steering wheel with the M Sport package. Really nice grip on the road. The little M accents obviously here. The sills, those are nice to haves. And then obviously Apple CarPlay was great. I was really happy to get this. So this is a 2018. I don't exactly know off the top of my head which years came with it, which didn't. So obviously a little F-Gen feature here. I didn't know how I would feel about it, but I do really like it, especially when I'm carrying, things in my arms, walking up to the vehicle. It's made it a lot easier to open the back. I did get the car ceramic coated, 9-year Crystal Serum Ultra by G-Technic. One of the best ceramics that you can get right now in the market, honestly. It looks great, really nice. Got the paint corrected, so I'm really happy with it. It just pops, you know, especially in the sun. So the F-Gen steering, you know, as many of you may or may not know, is electric, so it's definitely a different feeling than an E-chassis. E-chassis is definitely stiffer, heavier, I would say. The F-Gen takes a little bit of getting used to, but really when you put it into Sport or Sport Plus with the adaptive suspension, it's amazing how you feel the car tighten up and everything. So I won't be putting coilovers on this car just because of that. I don't want to really give that active suspension up. But yeah, I mean, this thing just looks sick, just all blacked out.